Welcome to Nightingale. We'll help you to navigate your STEM career. Brought to you by KCL Women in STEM. Hi, I'm Anel and I will be the host of Nightingale. I'm a president of Women in STEM Society and I'm also a final year mathematics with finance and management student here at King's College London. And I'm passionate about technology, automation and data science. So just to tell you a little bit more about us, founded in 2015, we are a network of students, professionals in academics and researchers who support and encourage diversity in STEM at King's, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. We work to represent women, non-binary and LGBTQ+ scientists at the faculty level and fight for better working conditions. We also aim to bridge the gender gap in STEM by hosting events, academic talks, workshops, podcasts like this, and we organize socials to help women in STEM join these areas and succeed in their career. With more than 250 members, we are actually more than just a society. We have a policy lobbying and activism team, which works closely with our departments and faculties on real policies to improve the overall experience for all women pursuing STEM degrees at King's College London. So Nightingale is a podcast brought to you by us, KCL Women in STEM, and the aim of the podcast is to help inspire women just like you who are currently studying a degree in STEM to pursue their career further and help you navigate the resources available to you in order to achieve your goals and excel within your chosen field, whether that's in industry or research and etc. Our guests will include current STEM students, academics and professionals who are willing to share their experiences with you. And I hope you will enjoy it, and we cannot wait for you to join us on this journey. Thank you for listening to this episode of Nightingale. Tune in next time for more insights on how to navigate your STEM career.